Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Well, today we have the Samsung Note 8, and the issue with this device is that you can see that there is a screen tint in it, and this tint just appeared suddenly while it was just placed on the table, and there was no droppings, but I don't know, it just came somehow. So I fiddled a lot with the settings, and I just saw a smart fix in it. If you go to this outdoor mode, you can see now the display is better. Now you cannot see the tint if my camera can show a little bit tint, but the colors are now accurate and you can use it well. Now the camera is focused and now you can see. Whenever you just go on full brightness, the screen gets better, and as the brightness decrease, the tint it is more visible. So this is the quick fix. I hope it will help. There's also a school of thought which I will try and I will upload in my next video. If you keep the screen turned on in outdoor mode for about 30 minutes, the screen will be permanently fixed, but I have to check it, and after checking it I will upload another video. For now, thank you very much for watching. Thank you.